Today, my job is to introduce our speaker. Before ko siya introduce, pamaguton ko lang siya sa mga nabigduman niya. Major ako ba? Nakita mo pa ba ining lugar? Kaya tindugan mo mo? Ining grandstand? Kaya ining playground?
Familiar sir, but I can't say anymore.
Pamilya mo kita. Yes, this is the same ground that you used to stand and command when you were still in the Corps Commander. We could still hear the echoing voices from the four corners of this very ground. And fortunately, this is the same ground that we are standing today to deliver graduation's messages. Shall we clap our hands for... This is a man who believes that his ability is more than his disability. And a man who complains that he lost his sight, but gave his sight back to his nation. Major Jerome Tiatura is a dedicated officer of the Philippine Army who rose through the ranks through sheer merit, unwavering patriotism, and strong spirit. Major Evan hails from Barangay Tulio, University of Guimaras, and he currently resides at Camp General Emilio Rinaldo, Quezon City. He finished his elementary education at Vittorio Elementary School and high school from Vittorio National High School at Vinicius Bisay from this university, formerly Guimaras Polytechnic College, as automotive technician. His early military career began in his home province, Guimaras, where he served as the Corps Commander for his ROTC batch 2006-2007 at Guimaras State University. He entered active military service as an enlisted soldier, joining the Candidate Soldier Corps, Class 25-2010, at the 3rd Infantry Division, where he was elected class president and served as Lieutenant Commander. Driven with determination to be an officer of the Philippine Army, he joined the Provisional Officer Training Corps, or POTC Class 63-22-12, at Reserve Command, Camp Diego de Dios, Tansa, Cavite, where he was once again appointed Battalion Commander. He was proudly commissioned into the Officer Corps as a member of the Officer Provisionary Course, or OPC Class 63-2014. Following his commissionship in the Philippine Army, he underwent rigorous elite training at the Scout Ranger School, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment in Camp Tixon, San Miguel, Bulacan. He was subsequently deployed to the 6th Infantry Division, serving as a platoon leader for the 62nd Division Reconnaissance Company. On March 2, 2016, during a high-stakes combat operation against the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters in Dato Salibo, Maguindanao, his life changed forever. He was severely wounded by an improvised explosive device, or IED, explosion, which resulted in the total loss of his vision. Despite enduring a life-altering injury, Major Jacoba's dedication to the nation never wavered. Just as 1 month after being discharged from the EFP Medical Center, he reported straight to the Department of National Defense to advocate for his fellow wounded soldiers. From 2017 to 2024, he serves as the program officer for the DND's Tapat Daka, a special program dedicated supporting soldiers with disabilities. Through his role, he became a profound symbol of hope, resilience, and strength for the entire armed forces of the Philippines community. For his extraordinary courage and service, Major Racopa has received numerous prestigious military decorations, including the DND's Best Military Officer of the Year 2020, Order of Lapu-Lapu Makamisa Kamagong rank, Military Merit Medal with Spearhead Device, and Wounded Personnel Medal. On November 30, 2025, as he was facing compulsory medical discharge due to his disability, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. personally intervened. Recognizing his invaluable contributions, the President suspended his discharge, processing and promoted him to the rank of Major. Today, Major Racopa continues to champion the welfare of his peers and serve the public in two major capacities. One, Community Relations Officer of the Armed Forces Public Affairs Office, and founder and current chairman of the Wounded Soldier Agriculture Cooperative, which empowers wounded warriors through sustainable livelihood opportunities. Major Jerome Macuba's story is a powerful testament to unshakable courage, relentless resilience, and divine purpose. He stands as a shining example of what it truly means to serve the Filipino nation with honor, loyalty, and patriotism. Our guest speaker today is married to Rachel, with three lovely daughters, Kristen Jade, Leah Jean, and Jessel Joy. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our hero, the one and only Major Jerome Haco.